So hey everyone, welcome to the new video. And in this video, we are looking for an interview question where we are finding the longest word in the string. Okay, so I have created a class with the name find large. Okay, or I have commented the question uh, find longest word. So I have write a question here find longest word in a string. Okay, now I have created a class here find large. Okay, so now to finding a largest element in the string, suppose I will show you. Suppose there is an input string like hello, how are you? Okay, so the input of or the output of this string should be hello, because hello is the longest word in this string. Okay, because it has 5 characters. Okay, so this is the longest word. So this is how we are finding the longest word in this question. Or so let's start. First we will take a variable named longest word, or anything you can give it a name, anything. Okay, so variable name is the longest word. Or now we are defining a class. Again we can give it same name as a variable longest word, or anything you want. Okay, string, or from where we need this. So we are looking for this from the sentence, or we can just write a sent. Okay, so we are looking into a sentence or a string from where we are searching the longest word. So I have taken the sentence here in the parameter of my function. So we are taking a array, or in this array we are splitting. I think you all know what is the split function in Java. Okay, so we are splitting the our sentence. So our sentence with the space. Okay, so basically what we are doing, why we are splitting this sentence with a space, it means that when we are looking in this sentence, hello space how space are space you, so basically it will find that the first word is ending with the space. Okay, so that's why we are splitting this thing or this sentence, because we will know with the help of this split function, we will know that the word has end and the length of this word is that much. Okay, so now our variable longest word we are taking, and in longest word we are simply put our first word of the array. Okay, array of zero index means the first word of the array. Okay, so let's suppose our longest word is the first word of the array, or if not, then for to check we have to loop through the array. Okay, so to loop through the array, we are taking a for each loop, and we are traversing through the array. Okay, now we are checking for the condition. If our longest word dot length method, we are checking that our longest words method is smaller than the length of our new word. With the every sentence or every word we are checking that this is smaller or not. Okay, so if this is smaller, we put the value of this longest word into a is our new word, with the help of which we are traversing through the array. So this new value of a, we are putting it into the longest word. If the new value or the new word is the greater than the longest word, or new word is greater than this word, so just put the value of new word into the longest word. Okay, so after that we have just written what longest word. Okay, now uh, we are creating a main function. Okay, so public static void main, and we have to call a class. Okay, we are just creating an object. Find large. So we are creating the object of that class through which we are getting the value of, oh, wait a minute, string longest word. What's the error? Oh, sorry, I think I shouldn't do that. Okay, static is greater. Okay, now, okay, so what we are getting here, with the longest word we are giving here our string or the real word. Okay, so here we are giving a new sentence like, hey, how are you tonight? Okay, just anything we can write here. So we are giving a string here, and now we are printing just what, our longest word. So now you can see we are printing simply the longest word. So if I run this, you can see it will print a tonight, because tonight is the longest word in this sentence. Okay, or if I remove the tonight, you can see we have all the strings, all the words with the length of 3. Okay, so in this scenario, our function or our program will return the first word of the string. Okay, so in this case we are getting hey. Okay, so as much as this simple this question is. Okay, so thank you.